1984 is the sixth studio album by American hard rock band Van Halen, released on January 9, 1984. It was the last Van Halen album until A Different Kind of Truth to feature lead singer David Lee Roth, who left in 1985 following creative differences. This is the final full-length album to feature all four original members. Roth would return in 2007, but Eddie's son Wolfgang would replace Anthony in 2006. 1984 and Van Halen's debut are Van Halen's best-selling albums, each having sold more than 10 million copies. 1984 was well received by music critics. Rolling Stone ranked the album number 81 on its list of the 100 greatest albums of the 1980s. It reached number 2 on the Billboard 200 album chart and remained there for 5 weeks, behind Michael Jackson's Thriller, on which guitarist Eddie Van Halen made a guest performance. 1984 produced 4 singles, including Jump, Van Halen's only number 1 single on the Billboard Hot 100, the Top 20 hits Panama and I'll Wait, and the MTV favorite Hot for Teacher. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.